just got done with my massage and I feel absolutely amazing. I can just tell that a lot of toxins were released because, like, I know that I was relaxed, but I just feel like kind of icky. I'm about to go do a little shopping. I want to go to Walmart because they have, and I'm chewing on the mint, so but yeah, so Walmart has some very inexpensive rugs, and I have a rug right now in our laundry room that I absolutely am obsessed with. So I want to go get another rug in that same design. I am heading there now. And then after I leave Walmart, I'm also going to go to the thrift store because I haven't been to the thrift store in a while. And we all know that a girl loves to shop. One thing that I'm trying to do in our bathroom is have like woven crates to organize in our, like, where we keep our towels and all that kind of stuff. So I like to go to this specific thrift store because they have baskets and different types of things to organize with. So hopefully I can find something today. The last 2 times I've been, I have not been able to find something. So we'll see. I've stated this before, but I want to do a Poshmark video and start selling some stuff on Poshmark. So I'll be shooting a video on kind of organizing and decluttering my closet. So I'm super excited about that. Hang up some clothes that are on the floor in my closet because it's a mess. And that's just going to be like a continuation of a cleanup video that I'm filming as well. So yeah, I think I'm gonna go to the thrift store first because I think they close at 6. So I'm going to go there first, and then I'll hit up a Walmart. And it's 5 o'clock traffic. So traffic is absolutely insane right now.
Ryan Little.
Oh my goodness, I am so hot. I don't think I showed you guys what I actually ended up getting, so I'll show you guys when I get home. And of course, what I actually went there to get, I did not get. They did not have any baskets that I was interested in, so I'm on my way to Walmart right now. But yeah, the things that I got, I'm pretty excited about. First off, I got them at a way cheaper price. So this only gives me even more motivation to clean out my closet.
Ryan Little. Ryan Little.
Just now leaving Walmart, and I think it was a successful, little shopping trip. So I ended up getting the rug. I had to get a picture because my husband wants to get some Kool-Aid. I should have bought some Kool-Aid packs while I was in the store, but that's something he can get because I am not condoning that. Okay, I will consume, but I don't condone. Okay. But anyways, so yeah.
Hennessy on my lips, take a little sip, privacy on the door, I'ma make this shit grip. A rich nigga, 8-figure, that's my type. That's my type, nigga, that's